Healthy morning students. Already we have started exercise 14.2. First two sum we have solved in last lecture. Today we solve question number 3. The question is the relative humidity of a certain city for a month of 30 days was as follows. See, here we are having class 84 to 86. So minimum observation is 84.9. So we have to cover that class which include this 84.9, so which is 84 to 86, and the highest observation is 99. How much it is? 99.2. 99.2. So last class should cover 99.2. So we'll get or we'll take a gap of 2 numbers. So it will be 84 to 86, then 86 to 88, 88 to 90, 90 to 92, so on. Okay. So if I want to find out or want to write telemark of this 84 to 86, then I will consider observation only 84 and 85. So you have to check it out from the question how many observations are 84 and 85. So they are one only. For this 86, 87, it is also one. 88, 89, 2. 90, 91, 2. 92, 93, 6. Now find out 94 and 95.
6.
90 to 93. 94, 95. 96, 97. How many?
7.
And 4. Okay, so here we'll write relative humidity, that means frequency. It is called frequency. So here we have frequency 1, 2, 7,
6, 7, 4.
if I add these all,
30.
we are having 30 observations, we are getting some 30. So our observations are correct. Few questions are asked over there. Also already we have solved, it is asked over there to form cumulative frequency distribution table. That already we have made. Second question they have asked, it is which month or season do you think this data is about? See, maximum humidity rainy season में होता है, monsoon में होता है. So this data is about which season? Monsoon. ठीक है, which month or season do you think this data is about? One more question is asked. What is the range? See, range, formula of range is highest observation minus smallest observation. Highest observation is
99.
smallest.
84.9.
If I subtract these both, I will get 14.3. So range of this data is 14.3. Okay, question number 3 is over. We will do question number 4. Look in a textbook. The height of 50 students measured to the nearest centimeters have been found to be as follows. Represent the data given above by the group frequency distribution table taking the class interval 160 to 165, 165 to 170. Find out smallest observation. From the data, find out smallest observation. What is it?
150.
Make a box surrounding 150. Make a box surrounding 150. Highest observation? 173. Make a box surrounding 173. Okay. So as I told you, whatever class we are taking, it should include smallest observation as well as largest observation. The smallest observation is 150. But check it out in the question. First class we have 160 to 165. So it will not cover 150. So we have to go back for the class. Check it out. How much is the class interval? 5. So if one more class before 165 I want to take, it should be 155 to 160. Move back. 150 to 155. That means our class will start from 150 to 155. So you have to take care that whatever class we are taking, it should include all the smallest as well as largest observation. Okay. So to include smallest observation, our class should start from 150 to 155. And it will go up to and then 175. Highest observation is 173. So it included in a class 170 to 175. So that's it. No need to write this 175 to 150. Then our next column here, it is of Kelly-Mark, and this data is about what? This observation about what? Height of student. So from 150 to 154. 150, 151, 152, 153, 154. How many? How many? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 155, 155 to 159. How many? 150 to 159. 160 to 164. 170 to 124. 160 to 164. 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Then 165 to 169. How many? 170 to 165.
5.
तो 10 बोल रहा था इसको क्या? मैंने वो पूछा था। हमें बड़े नंबर याद रह जाते हैं ना, रहते हैं ना 9 कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर 10 10 डिजिट के, तो पीछे वाले क्या 6 नंबर हमें याद नहीं रहेंगे। रहेंगे कि नहीं रहेंगे? ये याद रखना हो। क्या बताया आपने? ये 10 कितने बताए?
5
12 9 14 10 5 याद नहीं रह सकते कैसा था? लेकिन नहीं रह सकते क्यों ऐसी बेवकूफ़ी करते हैं? असर तो बनाने का जितनी उम्र नहीं उतने साल से पढ़ा रहा हूँ। मेरे सामने ओवर स्मार्ट बनने की ट्राई नहीं करनी है। मैंने बोला क्वेश्चन में पढ़ के बताने का आंसर, तो क्वेश्चन पढ़ के बताने का, पीछे से आंसर देख के नहीं बताने का। होशियार चंद नहीं बनने का, ज़्यादा पहले बता चुका हूँ मैं तुम लोगों से ज़्यादा होशियार हूँ। होशियारी मेरे सामने दिखाने की नहीं। काउंट करने को बोला तो काउंट करने, समझे? frequency distribution over. Second one, what can you conclude about their height of the table, from the table? So conclusion, maximum height 162 165. Okay, so maximum student have height from 160 to 164. हाई तो हम इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे ना इसमें, तो यह इंक्लूड होता है। ठीक है, ओके, so let's end this lecture. Bye. Proceed. Copy.